Well, let's have a look at Norwich Marina, see what's here. All these boats here. Ooh, look at that duck. Giving himself a little bath. Got anyone of any superheroes here today? Let's have a look. Got this lovely blue boat that could do with a coat of paint. And this nice red one here. I wonder who owns this red one. Last time I saw it, it had a cannon on it. Oh look, it's the narrowboat pirate. The Jolly Roger. All locked up, so I gather she's not here. So I won't post this video for a week. There we go. Run tug. Number 2. Saw it at the Pirate Weekend just up the river. Not too long ago. There we go. I'm not going to knock on and see if she's in. Not going to disturb her. Nice little canal walk coming down here. Of course, with the Anderton Bridge being broke, very difficult to get off this river at the moment without going on the ship canal. It's a nice little boat, isn't it? Mustang Dave. Catch you with another one in a bit. And if you can pronounce that name on that boat, you're doing better than me. Is it Veggie Sir or something? Wayfinder, Nantwich. Yeah, the narrowboat pirate. Catch you later with another one.